Hello friends, good morning. I am Nitin Cheke. Today I am going to discuss a few points about the regulatory authorities. In this topic, we are going to cover what is the regulatory authority, what are the regulatory bodies of our different countries, their functions, and the form they use for reporting the adverse drugs event. So, first of all, we are going to discuss about the regulatory authority. So, what is the regulatory authority? The regulatory authority is a public organization or government agency which is responsible for formation of the different regulations and guidelines for safety and efficacy of the drug. The main role of the regulatory authority is to strengthen the safety standard of the drug and their compliances, that is to check whether these regulations or guidelines are followed by the pharmaceutical companies or not. Now we are going to discuss about the regulatory authorities of the different countries. The regulatory authority of the USA is US FDA, that is United States Food and Drug Administration. The regulatory authority of the UK is MHRA, that is Ministry of Healthcare Product and Regulatory Agency. The regulatory authority of Europe is European Union is EMA, that is European Medicine Agency. The regulatory authority of the Japan is MHLW, that is the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. The regulatory authority of Canada is Health Canada, and the regulatory authority of Australia is TGA, that is Therapeutic Goods Administration, and the regulatory authority of India is CDSCO, that is Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Now we are going to discuss about the functions of the regulatory authorities. So there are three main functions of the regulatory authorities, that is regulations, guidelines and compliance. The regulation is nothing but it is a one type of a law, and guidelines are the rules and regulations which are derived from this law, and compliances is to check whether these guidelines and regulations are followed by the pharmaceutical companies or not. Now there are several other functions of the regulatory authorities to regulate the clinical trials and clinical research, to promote the post marketing surveillance, then approval of the new drug into the market, then testing of the new drug in the laboratory, development of the pharmacopoeias, then they also grant a license and NOCs for new drug and export of the drugs. They also provide the import the license for manufacturing, selling and import of the drug. Then regulatory authorities are directly related to the health of the people. They regulate the adverse drugs event and promote the safety of the peoples. Now we are going to discuss about the form used by the different regulatory authorities for reporting the adverse drugs event. So the reporting form used by USA is MedWatch, and the reporting form used by United Kingdom is Yellow Card Scheme, and reporting form used by the India is Suspected ADR reporting form, that is Suspected Adverse Drugs Reaction reporting form. So today we are cover the regular definition of the regulatory authority, the regulatory authorities of the different countries, their functions and form used by them to report the adverse drugs reactions. So thank you.